Welcome to Tutorial Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change zones in the Sonic Dash game. To change zones, you may want to look at your level and see if you have any other ones unlocked. As you can see, at level 3 you unlock the beach zone, and then at level 7 the snow mountain zone. Now to change between the zones, enter the building menu and then use the arrows to select the zone you want to continue using. As you can see, it tells you when it's going to be unlocked. The next one being at level 11. Just pick among the zones you have unlocked and then return. This will allow you to then play in the new zone. Of course, every zone has its own animals that you can free, which you'll see when you play. Just play through until an enemy appears so you can free the animals, which it's taking a while this time. As you can see, the first type of an animal for this zone has popped out. For some reason the other one didn't want to for now. Let's skip this for now. But as you play, you'll notice that the different types of animals are going to be popping out. Or at least they should. As you see, one of them popped out. Let's stop it now and then see the results. Of course, every character has a different bonus for the different animals. And of course, in order to unlock zones, as I said, you need levels, which you can gain by, for example, upgrading your characters. If you have the cards, you can use the rings you collect during the levels to upgrade the characters and gain experience, which is going to increase your level. To gain cards, you complete missions, as you can see. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.